Hello, welcome to PMAC Farms. In this video, we're going to share our experiences with you. Today, we are going to talk about starting your pig farm. This farm has run for almost 4 years, and when it started, we didn't know how to handle pigs. In fact, the first time that we saw a live pig, we ran away. And then within that 4 years, you build the skills, you build knowledge, you build experiences in handling pigs. So in this one, we are just going to talk about starting your farm, starting your pig farm. I'm not going to tell you, or I'm not going to talk about how to start. I'm just going to talk about you starting. So I'm going to share the experience. Start. Because probably if you want to start, you have enough knowledge, you have enough experiences to start your pig farm. The reason is that I'm a menshas, and I don't have any knowledge. I didn't have any knowledge because in Pano, I don't know knowledge. Me, I didn't have. So we're just doing it together. In 3 years now, I can say that within 3 years of doing this, now my consult for about 4 pig farms. My ones who are starting, in fact, it didn't quite successful. They consult me, they call me, we talk. I give them the advice, the practical advice, everything that they need, from selecting a breed down to giving injections, feeding program, or feed formulation. I think that you just have to start, right? You have enough knowledge, just start. I've realized that there were about 3 types of information that you need to start your pig farm, or maybe 3 types of knowledge and practice you need to start your farm. The first one, your academic knowledge. It's not the first. This is not in chronological order, but there is academic knowledge, there is YouTube knowledge, and there is field knowledge, right? So academic knowledge, none of your books, and there will be a paper, an article, or a paper that you are published, university be published. Maybe a group of Greek people. Work on research, publish a paper. If you have access to that paper, it's good. It gives you knowledge. And YouTube, no, be starting a farm. Now, other knowledge and experiences, and also share on how to go about if you want to also start your pig farm. Honestly, one. And then the other one that I have identified is field knowledge or field skills. And I kind of field experience. On no, ever site now, whatever that they've told you in the paper, in the academic articles, or research papers, or maybe on YouTube, or the web blogs now, you come to the field and you see that yours is slightly different, and what works for you doesn't work for other people on YouTube, right? So that one is needed for them YouTube now. It's those knowledge, it helps you to start, right? But that experience one, the experiential one, the field one, helps you to sustain your business or sustain your farm, right? And a typical example in there, I start to farm now. I start to farm now with the wabon when you now henia no one our YouTube no one why paper. If you research about henia and how to solve it, you will need a vet to do some kind of surgery. That is that is paper knowledge, research knowledge. From YouTube, I don't know those things they are there. And fine, you should go look for somebody who is a vet officer to come and do that for you. But the field experience will probably teach you that I'm here going to call for a vet officer and a for that. Until you decided to, okay, fine, I want to. But since we know good is in the Bejan was site, until what you do is that a pen strip. You go to the pen strip within 2 weeks time. Now you see that this one, it doesn't make sense. Academically, it doesn't make sense, or even YouTube wise, it doesn't even make sense. But on the field, I don't know how well. So we just keep quiet about it, right? So one time you could your field experiences. So YouTube knowledge, yeah. Academic papers, so yeah. But they help you to start, and they may not help you to sustain because in some people basis, one suggestion now, whatever moon, a corner that no problem, right? And to use your field experience. So I want you to start. Chassis. Say abo krope na wo mpa fa chassis. Structure krope mpo na botum abo I'll fa chassis and then learn on the field. You learn on the field. And that's how things will work out for you. Right. So basically that's what I'm going to start. But there will be subsequent information I must share. Now I must share BBF because I know that you have some skills and experiences that you can share with me in the comment section. So just start with a good read. By the way, if you want pork, a pork area, maybe I'm pay a button in bulk, a pedaton maybe a 1 kg be 2, 3 kg nati, a pound umpo benyabi, right? Yabomobi, a Cape Coast, a Eki, a the bubble. So I cry, you're the mama car, not a bro, I cry, maximum. Me assure them to my the podcast, mother one from Cape Coast, one from Cook Massey. But if you are possible able to make arrangements, when I walk around, you don't make a hard day at the Babron because the time they be freezing. You're freezing 8 hours. No, man, all about bottle. 8 hours all about started off bottle. One hour or friend then takrade, impose on Wally Biara. You're freezing, you're the Amunaka or the Abro. Just make the arrangements. So, a live pig, sir, you will be ready for match the live pigs. They are matured for breeding and also for meat. Meat, man can man back fat, but the kind of feeding program I ever had. I'm one deposit too much back fat. Every number, patry. And I once for you want a cramasso a starter. One startup, you want a cramasso piglet or able to my dad start. Within the next 2 weeks, no scramble, you're going to be able to start one farm. So just call the number 059 163 0381. 059 163 0381 and let's talk. If you want to start, we can help you. We can consult you. Consultation. I mean how to go about the monetary aspect. And can make juice, but I don't know how to go about it. But I am so happy to share my experience with you and how to start. Because sometimes, read articles, read the papers, I share YouTube videos, Facebook, I buy and start about 10 years, 5 years, and then start about 3, 4, 5 years, and then start baby Lucia, no. Start, actually on the field. So call the number and let's talk.